and Papa have lots of work to do. Do you help your parents? We must help our Mama and Papa. Okay? Kids, today I will going to tell you a story of a little girl who always try to help her Mama, Papa and other family members. So kids, do you want to listen this story? Yes? Okay. This is Daisy, daughter of Mr. Anand. He is Mr. Anand. He is the father of Daisy. One day, Mr. Anand was moving a big basket full of different objects from one room to another room. Then Daisy said, "Papa, I want to help you." "Okay, thank you, my princess. Since there are too many things, you can take the light objects and I will carry the heavy ones." "Okay, Papa. But, Papa, how can I find which one is heavy and which one is light?" "Oh, that's very easy, my dear. Daisy, we will take help of our wing scale. Okay? Look, Daisy, we will take help of this wing scale." "Wow! Okay, Papa. Let's do it." "Okay, Daisy. It's very easy. Listen carefully, my dear. The heavy objects will go down and the light objects will remain up. Okay? Now you bring me two baskets named heavy and light." "Okay, Papa. We will keep the objects that are heavy in this basket. This is for heavy objects. Okay? And we will keep the light objects in this basket. This is for light objects. Okay? Look, kids, I have two things. This is a yellow color lemon. This is a lemon. And this is an orange. Orange color, orange. Okay, so let's see which one is heavy and which one is light. Okay? Now look at this, kids. Can you see? Orange has gone down. Orange has gone down. This means it is heavier than lemon. Okay? As lemon has gone up, orange has gone down and lemon has gone up. Okay? So kids, where are we going to keep the heavy one? Tell me. Yes, we will keep the heavy object here in, this is for heavy things, and we will keep the light object here in this basket. Okay? This is for Daisy to carry and this is for Mr. Anand to carry the heavy objects. Okay? Now the next object. Look at this, kids. This is a ball and this one is a cotton ball. So let's see which one is heavy and which one is light. Okay? Look at this, kids. This side has gone down and this side has gone up. So, cotton ball is lighter than the ball, than this ball. Okay? So, keep this heavy thing in this basket and keep this light cotton ball here. Okay? Now let's see the next object. Look at this, kids. This is a tomato, red colored tomato, and this is a peas. Okay, pea. So let's see which one is heavy and which one is light. Okay? Let's put them in wing scale. Now look at this, kids. Tomato has gone down. This side has gone down and this side has gone up. So this is heavy and this side light. So put the light object in this basket. This is meant for Daisy, and put the heavy in this basket. This is for Mr. Anand to carry. Okay. Now the next objects. This is a Fevistick and this is also a Fevistick. Now let's see which one is heavy and which one is light. Okay? Now look at this, kids. This side has gone down and this side has gone up. So this is heavy and this one light. Now let's put the heavy thing in correct place. Yes, this is for heavy things. And now put the light object here. This is for Daisy. Now the next objects. Look at this, kids. This is a bottle of hand sanitizer. This is a full bottle, new one, and this is a one old bottle, so that half bottle only filled. Now let's check which one is heavy and which one is light. Okay? Now look at this, kids. This side has gone down and this side has gone up. So this is heavier than this. So we will put this heavy one here in this basket and we will put the light one here in light basket. Very good, kids. Now the next objects. This is a stone, small piece of stone, and this is a sponge, small piece of sponge. Now let's see which one is heavy and which one is light. Now look at this, kids. This side has gone down and this side has gone up. So this is heavy and this is light. This is heavier than this. So kids, now put the right thing in correct box. So heavy thing we will keep in this basket and light things we will keep in light basket. Okay? Now the next objects. This is a helicopter, toy helicopter, and this is a toy car. Now we will see which one is heavy and which one is light. Okay? Now look at this, kids. This side has gone down and this side has gone up. So car is lighter than helicopter. Okay? So we will put this car in light box here, and we will put the helicopter here in heavy basket. Okay? Now the next object. This is a small stick or twig, wooden stick. Okay? And tell me, what is this? Yes, L is for leaf. Now let's see which one is heavy and which one is light. Now look at this, kids. This side has gone down and this side has gone up. So this is light and this is, tell me, yes, heavy. You are right. Now keep these things in correct place. Okay? This light basket meant for Daisy and this heavy basket meant for Papa to carry. Okay? Now the next objects. This is a necklace. This one also a necklace. Now let's see which one is heavy and which one is light. So put this thing here and this is also put here. Now look at this, kids. This side has gone down and this side has gone up. So this is heavy and this is light. This is heavy and this is light. So now keep the heavy thing in this basket and keep the light object here. Look at this, kids. Two soft toys. This Pooh Bear and this is a bunny. Yes. Now we will see which one is heavy and which one is light. And look at this, kids. This side has gone down and this side has gone up. So this is heavy. This is heavy. And this side has gone up. So this is light. Now the next objects. This is a small diary, a small book, and this is a paper. Now kids, all the times we can't use this weighing scale. So sometimes we can feel and we can say easily which one is heavy and which one is light. Look at this, kid. It's heavy and always paper is a light thing. Book is heavy and paper is light. Heavy, light. Heavy, light. So we will keep this light object here and we will keep the heavy object here. So kids, hope you have enjoyed this story of Daisy and Papa. Okay? Now you also play this game with your mama and papa at your home. Whatever things available at your home you can use for this game. You can make a wing scale with the help of your parents and you can play this game easily. Okay? So kids, now it's time for the next activity. But before that, let's recall all the things with ma'am. Okay? So kids, what is heavy and what is light? Heavy means भारी, जो उठाने में बहुत मुश्किल हो. भारी, heavy. And what is light? Light means in Hindi halka. Okay? So when we lift something very easily or hold that thing very easily, that means that thing is light. Okay? Or if we can't lift anything or we lift that but very uncomfortably hold that, that means that thing is heavy. Okay? Bhari. Heavy means bhari or light means halka. Very good. Light object goes up and heavy object goes down. Light, heavy. Okay? Kids, now it's time for activity. For this activity, coloring activity, you have to open your activity book, page number 81. Look at this, kids. Look at this picture. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is a picture of a feather or maybe it may be leaf. Okay? And what is this? It's a log or wood. Okay? Now tell me which one is heavy? एक लीफ ज्यादा हेवी होगा या एक बड़ा सा लकड़ी का टुकड़ा ज्यादा हेवी होगा? कौन सा ज्यादा हेवी होना चाहिए? सोच के बताओ. Yes, log और wood. ये ज्यादा हेवी होगा. Now you have to color the heavy object using green crayon. So take your green crayon and you have to color the heavy object. This is heavy. So don't color this. Color only in heavy object. That's all for today. This is your classwork. Complete it in your book. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye bye.